Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing here old video footage from a video I did way back 3 years ago from when I attended a 3-day marketing event in Reno, Nevada. And I wanted to take this time to share this quick video clip here with you. If you're in affiliate marketing or you're marketing a business right now, this is absolutely important to understand what I'm going to be revealing here in this throwback video clip. Because it doesn't matter what you're marketing in your business, if you don't have this right from the start, nothing else is going to matter. So without further ado, enjoy this throwback valuable video clip from when I attended one of the affiliate marketing live events back in 2018.
I struggled a lot with mindset issues, and what I found from talking to a lot of these people at this live event is I find like nearly everyone that I was surrounded by in the room where the event was going on really had mindset issues. And if there's one big thing that I've learned out of this entire event that I can pass on to you guys is that you really need to consider, you really should, not should, you really need to work on your mindset, because without the proper mindset, without, making like that mindset shift to set you up for success, it doesn't matter what you're taught, nothing is going to happen. You're not going to take the necessary action steps. You're not going to, do what it takes to get you to the next level, to become the person that you want to become. And I feel that is so important.